Hey y'all, Hanson.
And Gladys.
Ivey and Homestead. So we have to do, what's today? 17th?
No.
18th? We gotta do 3.
It's 18.
So we gotta do 16, 17, and 18 of the Simple Life Reclaims Thankful Challenge.
Do we? It was 3 days?
Yeah, it's just like before.
Or was it 2 days?
We get busy.
Yeah.
Mostly this one gets busy.
I get busy.
At night.
A lot more at night. Well, it's because, as, I don't know, some of y'all may know, we're again on close down. All the Royal Virginia Beach schools have gone back to virtual learning. So I help the kiddos, well, mainly the young one. Mm-hmm. The youngest one, I help her out during the day, and then in the afternoon or towards night, I do my own studying or, homework.
Yeah. And I'm at work all day. I leave the house by 5:30, 6 o'clock. Yeah. I don't get home until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And that's actually one of the things that I am thankful for today. So we're going to do 3. I'm going to do 1 or 2. She's going to do 1. And then we'll do our shout-outs. So I'm actually thankful that I have a job during this whole pandemic. It gets normally it gets a little slow during this time of year. I do work for the Navy, basically. I'm a contractor that takes care of the Navy boats. And when it's cold outside, you don't want to be outside working. And it was definitely cold today. And I just so happened to have to work outside almost all day today. So but I'm still thankful that I'm able to go and do that and get a check, obviously. That definitely helps.
Mm-hmm. I guess for me, I'm very thankful to our educators, my kids' teacher, as well as our ABA therapist. They have helped so much throughout this whole COVID thing, especially with being patient with us. All of the
that is one thing that parents have learned with this year with the pandemic going down is with their kids no longer have to go to school, and now they have to do the teaching. Now everyone knows how underappreciated teachers are and how underpaid they are because they go through a lot. And,
yes, they do.
They definitely need to take care of your teachers. Any type of voting that has to go of getting them more money or whatnot. Y'all need to go out and do that because for those of you that don't have kids that don't know, it's tough whenever you're trying to do your schedule and also trying to take care of kids, which I don't have the burden of that as much as she does because I'm at work. I'm not here whenever they're in school.
Therefore, whenever you come home and I still have to do schoolwork, he finishes up the cooking for me. Yep, he'll finish dinner.
Yeah, so, and I have to side burner some of the projects that I need to work on during the week because now she's taking care of the kids, and then whenever I come home, now she has to take care of her stuff while I take care of the family, doing the dinner or the cooking or trash taking out, like all that stuff, right? That we still try to share. We take care of each other and whatnot. Just when I'm at work all day, I'm tired, especially whenever I'm outside in the cold all day and then come home and having to continue to do stuff. It does get a little...
It gets tiring.
Tiring. And that's one reason why we end up playing catch up. But I know that we needed to get in here and get this video done. Yeah. And stuff. And we actually had one more thankful. What else was I thankful for? See, I forgot.
I don't know what you're thankful for. There's so many things to be thankful
for. There is.
Coffee. For me, coffee.
Coffee.
Lots of coffee.
We are thankful that coffee is a thing.
And we're thankful that we have it all the time. Because whenever we run out of coffee.
Yeah, thankful that we can afford to go get coffee. And there's a few veteran-owned coffee things like that online that I would like to get a part of one of these days. You know, because I love my folders too, but as some of those other, you know, being able to give back to the veteran community and stuff like that is always, that's our thing, right? That's what we love to do. And I definitely would love to get some of that coffee.
Did we ever do a shout out to Soapy Suds or what's? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we did. Yeah, because we just got something from the mail from one of our friends.
Yeah, I think it was back on the day 2, the second one. You weren't here. Yeah. But yeah, I did that. That was the Sudsy Sailor. Yeah. So if you guys haven't checked that out,
need to check it
out. Go check him out. He's a good friend of ours.
I just remembered because we just got
small business, veteran owned
gift,
right?
From
And he had made a soap for me to give to my daughter in Chicago. Yeah. All right, but we'll go ahead and shout out our 3 channels. One of them, obviously, I watch every single video that comes out. I love him to death. He is a larger channel, but he's a cooking channel. He does gardening, does other stuff like that. He's helped us out. He sent us stuff for our giveaways. We just love him to death, and that's Papa Texas. Yep. If you don't know who Papa Texas is, you definitely need to go check him out because whenever it comes to helping out community or just, you know, giving out great advice or, you know, telling you what you need to know, or even if you don't want to hear it, he's going to tell you anyway because that's the type of person he is, and that's a great friend, you know, to tell you what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, he's just all around great guy, right? I cannot wait until one of these days we can get down to Texas to actually meet him. Maybe like a Lollapalooza or something like that. Camp out one of these times. The next one that we want to shout out, he's actually a smaller channel, and he works a lot with Papa Texas for a product, and that's Uncle Steve Shake. So he actually has a few different types of seasonings, right, for steak and for chicken and pork and all kinds of things. And he's actually came out with a few new products. And we just love the Gator Shake is phenomenal. It's amazing. It actually has a citrus undertone, like a lime undertone to it, and it's just it's so good. So check out. He has a website you can go on, and I'll put all the links down below in the description so you guys can check those out and stuff. And then another one is actually a newer channel that we're subscribed to, but I have checked out a few of their things, and I just love their title or the name of their channel. You want to shout them out, baby?
No, you go for it. Knock yourself out.
All right, so it's Whiskey and Sunshine Off Grid, because y'all know I love my whiskey. So. But yep, they're Off Grid channel doing the Off Grid thing. And if that's what you're into, go check them out. They have some great videos. And yeah, I think that's about it. Yep. You got anything else, babe?
Nope, nothing else.
Yeah, I'm ready to relax. Been on my feet majority of the day in the cold.
Definitely.
So
it's time.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all next one. Bye-bye now.